Okay, today hopefully we are going to be finishing up our partner slideshows. So you need to have two tabs open. The first tab you need is you need your partner's answers to on your document. And the second one you need open is your slideshow. I'm going to show you a few things on one slide so you can practice with them, and you do not have to do them on each slide, but I want you to have the knowledge of what to do. So we're going to add in a new slide, so we're going to push that plus up there in the corner. And I did a wrong kind. So this is very important. If you have one that you don't like, as long as it has the blue around the outside, you can just push delete or backspace and it will delete it for you. So I want to have like a normal slide, not a title slide. So I'm going to push plus. And remember, we are doing complete sentences, capitalization, punctuation. So I'm not going to say Chicago. I'm not going to write, what is your favorite place? Chicago. I'm going to say Lydia's or her favorite place is Chicago. Okay, we're going to go up to our mountain to insert an image. And you're going to go to search. Now, boys and girls, I've seen some people that are like, I don't have anything to search. That's because they're in their drive. You can push your return here and you can search. So I'm going to type in Chicago. I was just stayed across there a couple weeks ago. Okay, so we put it in. This is going to take a second. And for this example, I want you to stretch your picture all the way out. Okay? Now, your words are still there. You need to click on Arrange and Order. Okay? Now look here. If my picture is not selected, if I don't have my blue squares around it, when I go to Arrange and Order, nothing happens. So I have to have it selected. Now I can go to Arrange, Order, and the bottom one, Send to Back. And there's my words right there. So now I found yesterday that some people maybe had blue writing and it wouldn't show up. So then you can just highlight it, change your font color if you need to. Now, boys and girls, if some people were having a hard time grabbing this, you can just maybe have to resize your other picture in order to grab it or something like that. So we have this. And then the other step I want to show you is the animations. So some of you may have the word transition over here. I'm going to go to slide and change transition. Okay, so transition is how the slide comes in. Okay, so I want to look here. I want all mine to cube in. Now I could apply it to all slides, or I could do it differently on each slide. That's up to you. So now if I play this, you see how it turns? It cubed. Okay, so I'm going to push stop. And now I'm going to apply animation to my words as well. So I'm going to click on Add Animation, and this says Fade In. Maybe I want it to fly in from the bottom. Push play here. So it cubes, and then I click, and my words fly in from the bottom. Okay? You can also do that on the picture if you want to. You could make sure it's selected, add animation. Let's see, fly in from the top. Now I want the picture to come in first, and then I want the word to come in. So on the right here, I'm just moving that back and forth. That's kind of up to you how you want it to happen. So let's push play again. It's going to cube in. I click, there comes my picture. I click, there comes my words. Okay, I want you to do transitions and animations on every slide, and you should have 7 slides altogether. When you're done, if you go to View and Present, you can watch your whole slideshow right there. Okay, I haven't put animations in those others, but you can do that too. And then when you're completely done, I would like you to share it with your partner so they can check it out to make sure that you have their name spelled right, their answers are done correctly, and everything like that. And if it is, then you can share it with me. Okay, be good for Mrs. Lowers today.